Hey guys, welcome back to Kakeru Rigasaki, and this time it's another review of Crossfight Beat'em Up. And now this is tune-up gear CB-63 magazine stabilizer. Well, this is very unique tune-up gear because it's dual type, like stabilizing daman and stabilizing magazine. So this is very interesting. Well, let's look to the packaging card. So this is CB-63 magazine stabilizer, control type and rapid fire type. Like I said, it's dual type. So this is how to build it. Some stuff over here include its stats: 5 control and 2 rapid fire. Well, that's it. So you will get this weird card like this. Again, I don't know what it used to, so you have to cut it off. Well, so this is a magazine stabilizer itself, all just red, very interesting. So this is a power block for season 1 Crossfight Beat'em Up. Well, this is super cool, just like a Japanese wall, or like Hashirama Sego from Naruto, if you know. You can see it's very aesthetic. Well, let's just this is a rev device. Let's just compare how it feels between these and ES Beat'em Up. So first you have to pull it off like this, very easy, and this part like that, and you just have to click in there. Well, because Crossfight Beat'em Up season first season didn't have this part, which is very unfortunately bad. So if you done like this, it's very loose. You see that? Very loose. Well, these magazine stabilizer just fit to ES Beat'em Up. So first, take this part and plug in there, and just like that. So this part, click to that bottom part in the dresser rows. Take your tool and just push it like that. So you pick that up and slide. If on this mode alone, you automatically have a magazine. Can put 5 daman on Drazeros and 4 daman for another daman. Well, that's very, very amazing. When you attach this magazine, you have to slide a little bit like that, and you must take it off and store behind it, which is very, very necessary, because if not, maybe you will lost. After that, you push this forward like that, and you got this. Okay, let's test stabilizer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, it's super rock solid. Well, so that's all about it, guys. See you on the next video.